Hello everyone, welcome back to Minshas World. I am Minsha. Today I am going to show you a wonderful recipe. It is Dark Fantasy biscuit recipe. So, while we wait, let's check out the recipe.
Friends, first I take here a pan. Now we can add dark chocolate half cup. Now we can add 1 tablespoon of water. Now we can mix it. Mix it well until it melts completely. Our dark chocolate. I need to eat it. Transfer into a bowl and refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Next, we can take another bowl. Then we can add butter. This is 100 grams of butter. In room temperature, whisk our butter until it be fluffy. Next, we can add sugar powder half cup and mix it well. Add vanilla essence 1/4 teaspoon and mix it again. Next, we can add Maida flour 1 cup. Cocoa powder 2 tablespoons and mix it well. Mix it well. Add a pinch of salt. Mix it well, like chapati dough.
Now we can rest it for 10 minutes.
After refrigerating, take our melted chocolate. We can make it like a small ball. Take our dough and take a small part chocolate ball into it and cover it.
Friends, now we can take the top of it and we can keep our dark fantasy cake ready. Okay, now we can close our pan. Friends, now our dark fantasy biscuit is ready. Next, we can check it. Wow, it's too beautiful. So here we go, this absolutely delicious dark fantasy biscuit is ready. It is tasty, crunchy and chocolatey. So all of you need to try today and enjoy. So thank you for watching my video. You need to subscribe, like, share and just press the bell button. Bye bye.